Welcome YouTube to another meal suggestion. This is Shrimp Scampi and Linguine by Bertolli. Retails for $10, it's $5 a person, and it only takes 12 minutes. And here's the story behind it. I will include pictures at the end. Alright YouTube, so use a pan that has the cover. Take this, that's what it looks like inside. Put this in your bowl, in your pan. And put your stove on medium. Cover this and let this cook for an initial 8 minutes. Talk to you soon. Alright YouTube, this cooked for 8 minutes. And you see that? Look at that. Now you're going to want to leave it uncovered and cook this for 4 minutes and stir it occasionally. Then you're set and you have a meal for 2 people for $5 each. Okay YouTube, so it's done. It's been 12 minutes. So turn your stove off. You see that nice steam coming off? Look at that. You got a great meal, $5 a person instead of like $11, $15 at a restaurant. So let's just plate that and then we're done. Okay YouTube, here's your one pan, one skillet meal from Bertolli, Shrimp Scampi and Linguine. So it's ready in 12 minutes. It's there for busy families, working families. It's good for a couple. And it's really a tasty product from Bertolli. So if you like recipes like this, meal suggestions, I plan on bringing a lot more like this. Please hit the like button and help me out with the like. And hit the subscribe and the bell, and you should see 2 to 3 things every week. Plus YouTube shorts. Talk to you soon. Dan Soy Cook. Love you. Bye-bye.